Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Venkat Vegi. This is Venkat Vegi. In this video lesson, I am going to explain some kind of typical words. Why I am saying that they are typical words? Because they are acting sometimes conjunctions. They are acting sometimes like an adverbs. Most of these words can be used for joining, combining sentences, phrases. So, I think in my point of view, this is part of advanced English. Because in simple English, in starting level, we can frame only simple sentences. But here, we are joining the sentences. At that point of time, we need this kind of words like however, whichever, whenever, wherever. I am going to explain in this video lesson such kind of words by using some kind of sentences for our clear understanding. In which the first one is however. However means into what way, in what manner. Sometimes we are saying that to other people, whatever, however it is, you have to achieve it. However it is, you have to achieve it. That means, nevertheless, though what kind of difficulty you have, it doesn't matter. You have to achieve it at any rate, at any cost. So in that way, in that situation, we have to use however. Sentence. She decided to start the preparation, however it is so hard. However it is so hard. Though it is so hard. Although it is so hard, she wants to start her preparation. She knows what kind of difficulty it has, but she starts her preparation. Okay? Next one. She wants to join in the job, however low salary. Here, you may know one point is that she decided to start the preparation. It is a one sentence. It is so hard. It is a one sentence. These two sentences can be joined by however. It is a conjunction. It works conjunction like this. In this case. In second case, she wants to join in the job, however low salary. However low salary. However plus noun phrase or adjective phrase. So, despite low salary, she wants to join in the job. We can replace despite in place of however. No problem. So, in simple sentence, we have to change lengthy sentence into simple phrase. At that time, it is better to use this kind of words. And next one, next usage is showing contrast. Showing contrast means whenever you say some kind of difference, some kind of contrast between two statements, sometimes maybe more than two, at that point of time, it is better to use however, like as a conjunction. First sentence is, the book is expensive. However, it is worth reading. In place of however, but can be also used. The book is expensive. Right? The book is expensive. There is no problem. But it's worth reading. It has its own value. Next one. The first part is so easy. The second, however, takes hours. The first part takes very limited period of time. But second part, it takes too much of time to understand or to read. So in this way, in this manner, usually we use the word however. So now I am going to look at another kind of word, that is whichever. Whichever means we have already selected some kind of objects in which you have to take one of them. In that case, we have to use the word whichever. Okay, the first sentence. Choose whichever ring you like. It is your birthday. Already we have selected some rings in which whichever you take, it is depends on your taste, depends on your like. It is your birthday, it is special day for you. So that's why whichever ring you take it really matters to you, not for us. Next one. Take whichever shirt your heart on it. Your heart on it means you like the most. Whichever shirt you take, you heart on it. That means what kind of shirt you like the most, take it. Okay. Next one. Whichever they take decision, we must abide by. Because we are inferiors, not superiors. So, whichever kind of decision they are going to take, you must abide by it. Abide by means follow, adherence to, stick to. Next one. Whichever route you take, it takes 4 hours. Whichever you route takes, any route, any kind of route, whichever you take, it takes 4 hours. There is no any shortcut. So in this way, you can use the word whichever. Now I am going to look at another kind of word, that is whatever. You know one thing, that you have to know the difference between whatever, whichever. Whichever means in limited things, in limited objects, you have to choose one, in which you have to choose one of them. Okay? But whatever is used when any situation, any consequence, any kind of decision, usually not things. Okay? Sentence. Whatever happens, you should go. Whatever happens, it doesn't matter. You should go. You must go. Next one. Please take whatever, whichever you want if you feel hungry. That means in the fridge, some kind of, we have some kind of food, in which whatever you like, if you feel hungry, go and take it. So in this case, whatever, whichever, either can be used. There is no problem. And next one. Whatever you say, it is okay for me. Whatever you say, whatever you decide, whatever you think, it is okay for me. I am always ready, always set. That means whatever you take decision, I feel there is no problem. It is okay for me. Next one. Whatever the reason is, she refuses to go. Whatever the reason, I don't know the reason exactly, but she refuses to go. Here, the reason is not important. Her refusal is so important than the reason. Okay?